Dear students, today we will learn how to apply the quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what are the values of this b, a and c? I know you all are familiar with the variables that a, b, c are the variables. For example, I have this equation 2x plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. If you don't know quadratic equation what is, I have uploaded the videos in the introductory video and I have uploaded the playlist also. So in this, a is 2, b is 3 and c is 5. So it's very easy. Now you have to put these values in this formula and solve it. You will get two values for x. Why two values? Due to this plus minus. You will get two solution sets, and at the end you have to write the solution set like this. Like for example, two values, you will get minus 2 and 6. So this is your complete answer. Thank you. If you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and like, and don't forget to comment.